To get into Jakarta's Pasar Senen is easy. The little beca cabs come rolling in one after the other. Let's go inside and see it from this side entrance. What we're gonna find here. A lot of vessels with live fish. These are carp types.
Big.
And bigger ones here.
Yes. Wow.
This young gentleman is cleaning the shrimps.
Dia kayak gini. Saya muter kayak gini. Ini buang nggak? Buang aja, tapi kayak steker. Ya. Ininya berapa kilo?
He can do that with his eyes closed.
Mesin dua dulu ya.
Kind of shrimps here.
Pas 2 kilo. Kalau itu 50 sih. Lebih mahal.
Permission?
Okay.
Yes, up. Tuna?
Iya.
Tuna. What are they? Oxtail?
Iya, betul. Oxtail.
Oxtail.
Ya, oxtail.
This is for the oxtail soup.
Oke.
What is the name in Bahasa?
Enggak, nih, buntut ekor. Ekor Indonesia ya, ekor.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
This gentleman is hanging up large pieces of meat that just have arrived. Look at that.
Roll action. Roll action.
What's your name?
My name is Herman.
Hello, Herman.
Halo, Mister.
Thank you.
Welcome to Pasar Senen.
Pasar Senen.
Ya, Blok 3. Jakarta Pusat.
Jakarta Pusat.
Yes.
Pasar Senen.
Senen.
Terima kasih.